Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. I really don't know what I'm gonna make today. I'm just recording the intro so that later I don't forget. But yes, I really don't know what I'm gonna make. I'll go to the place where I kept all my craft supplies. I'll see the things and I'll plan what to do. I don't know if I've written in the title and thumbnail or not. If I've written, then you'll already know what I'm gonna make. If I've not written, then go ahead and see the video. So let's not waste time and let's begin.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.